Hello, my name is Beth Curry. I'm a physical oceanographer at the University of Washington studying the transport of volume, freshwater, and heat through Davis Strait. Davis Strait is located between Greenland and Canada and is an important oceanic gateway for heat and freshwater exchange between the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans. Since 2004, we've been monitoring these exchanges using a combination of moorings and autonomous gliders. Recent changes in the Arctic may alter the amount of freshwater and heat transported between the Arctic and North Atlantic. These changes include increased air temperatures, enhanced sea ice loss, increased river discharge, and accelerated ice mass loss from Greenland and Canada, all of which are reflected in the Davis Strait measurements. There are no clear trends in the 2004-2010 net transports, but we do see a decrease in the salinity of the Arctic outflow through Davis Strait starting in 2008. Changes in the salinity of the Arctic outflow may alter continental shelf ecosystems and impact deep convection in the Labrador Sea. These measurements are necessary in order to close Arctic volume and freshwater budgets and contribute to understanding the role played by the Arctic and subarctic in steering decadal scale climate variability.